A sunlit kitchen welcomes a compact toaster oven that turns kitchen scraps into three inventive dishes. The first dish is crispy herb crostini made from day-old bread, carrot tops, and olive oil toasted to perfection. Next, a quick veggie quesadilla uses wilted greens and cheese, folded in a tortilla and crisped till gold. The final treat are caramelized banana peel chips, sweet and crunchy, paired with a citrus drizzle. After plating, the chef explains how the leftovers go to compost, closing the loop from waste to nourishment beautifully.